In primetime news this evening, robbed clean. Thieves ransack family home in Irwin, St. James.
Over 200 guns seized. Police investigate massive gun shipment in Kingston.
And 11 years of justice. Mario Dean's mom unfiltered after cops found guilty for son's murder. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, some persons may have heard about the one big beautiful bill being pushed by U.S. President Donald Trump. Well, it may be a painful reality for some Jamaicans. Bigly. I'll give you details later in the business day.
She did
Did she really do the Bigly thing?
She did. It's Bigly. It's a big show.
Yes.
Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, thanks, Archie. Speaking of Bigly, well, big moves going on at the JFF. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
I mean, Romain is left out.
He's missing out, but he will be here later. But there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and Romain with the weather report and forecast later on in the newscast. But Archie, before the break, the feedback question.
The big question this evening. What's been your experience dealing with the Saharan dust problem facing the island?
Have you felt anything?
It looks hazy all over the place.
Yeah, it does. Well, you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.